Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have the kid LAROI here with a song called Need to Know. So this one goes in the same way through the entire song, 4 different chords. And we'll start here with the capo set on the 4th fret. That will be the easiest chords possible to also highlight the notes we want. So capo on 4th, and let's go over the chords. We'll start with the F major 7, so that will be 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st on B, on open on E. So that's F major 7. We have the A minor, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the G, and yeah, we will have this as the standard chord here, but the real grip or so could be just like this. I'm just going to show you actually the grip you need for G in the song, because we will use this in a different way. So what you need here will be 3rd on E, and then I mute the next string here, the A, with my finger I'm using there, and just lean it on top of the A so it gets muted, and then open D, 2nd G, and then depending on what we're doing here, we get this open so far, and we'll play notes from the top strings down there. So this is basically the grip here, 3rd on E and 2nd on G. And then we have the D, and that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and we can hold there, same way here. We'll not go with the standard D as a grip like that, so we'll leave it open to be free to get the high notes we want here for the song. Alright, so that will be the grip for D. So that's the chord progression: F major 7, A minor, G, and D. Alright, so before we go into the strumming and so, we will look at the notes we want to highlight for this song. So it starts with F major 7. We can use that as an example. So the first note will be just a down on the bass string and so, in that bass area. So for this F major, you hit it on the D string G or so, just one down. And then the melody goes. So that will be 2nd on G, 1st on B, 3rd on E, and open E. So 2nd on G, 1st B, 3rd E, and open E. Sometimes it starts with open B instead of the 2nd G. So sometimes it goes, that starts, and sometimes it goes with the open B and 1st B. Alright, so you can have that in mind. And yeah, that's the 4 notes for the F major. Then you go over to the A minor. You will play the same there. So bass first, this time on the A string area. Alright, and then comes same 4 notes, but it ends then later on the 3rd fret B string. So every other chord you have this ending with the 3rd B string, so that means on the A minor and on the D later. So that means A minor is and ends here on the 3rd B. Then you go to the G, that's a grip for G. You play that in the same way as the F major 7. So bass now, it's on the E string here, the bass area, alright, and then the same 4 notes. Or go either way, and that's it for the G. And then for the D, you play that in the same way as the A minor. Bass goes there on the D string and the 4 notes, and then it ends on the 3rd fret B string. So that's how it goes, just plain notes. Okay, so I'm going to take you through one chord progression round. Basically that's it. Okay, now we would like to have this built in a strumming. All right. So with this, we can go for we can actually go for the A minor. So we'll have this 3rd fret B string in the end here and see how that works. So we'll go with the A minor. So it starts now with the bass. In this case now it's the A string area. So 1 down. Then you go with the notes here, the 2nd fret G string down, and then 1st fret B string, and then up on the 3rd fret E string, and then up again on the open E string. So it's down on the bass, and then down, down, up, up. So down, 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 up, up. Okay, and then you play just up, down, just from the chords. So just to fill out, okay? Because it goes pretty quick here with the strumming. So just up, down to fill out, and then you're gonna play down, up, and this is where we add the 3rd fret B string. And that's it, okay? So this is when you include a 3rd fret B string. If you don't do that, for instance, on the F major and the G chord, you just go from the standard grip, F major or the G here. So to repeat all that again, it starts with the bass. So for A minor, it's on the A string area. Then you play down, down, up, up. First note. This is where you play down. And the 2nd note, also down. The 1st fret B string. And then on the 3rd fret E string, up and up on the open E. Then you fill out with up, down, just from the chord, okay? And then for this chord, A minor and D, you will add a 3rd fret B string, and you'll play that with down, up, down, up. So slowly it goes like this. All right, and without, it just goes from the chord without the ending, like this. So that is basically it. You play F major without the 3rd fret B string in the end, A minor with, G without, D with. Okay, so slowly I'm gonna take you through this so you really see what's going on here. All right, so that's it, or added with this ending. So that is 1 round, and with standard tempo, something like this. So that pretty much covers the LAROI's need to know, and no problems if you miss a note here and there. This is just basic thinking here, and this is just my way of handling this song. So this is no right or wrong written in the books, you know. So this is one way to handle it in an easy way, in my opinion. So yeah, anyway, thank you for watching, guys, and I hope this helped. If you did, please thumb up, subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment. Until next time, guys, play tuned.